So you want to get a piece of the cryptocurrency action, but you are not comfortable in directly buying Bitcoins. Now, if this is the case for you guys, then I have got some really good news. Very soon, you will be able to buy Bitcoins in the company that helps people trade various cryptocurrencies. So stuff like Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the company that I'm talking about, it's Coinbase. So this company runs the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the United States, and it recently announced plans to go public. But instead of pursuing a traditional IPO process, Coinbase plans to sell up to 115 million shares on Nasdaq via something called direct listing. So this direct listing technique has already been employed by companies like Spotify and Palantir. So here is the $1 million question, guys. Should you buy the Coinbase stock when the company goes public? Keep watching to find out. This video is sponsored by Skillshare, an online learning community where you can find thousands of high-quality classes on various subjects, including investing and personal finance. To get your 14 days free access to all Skillshare classes, click on the link in the video description below. So what exactly does the company Coinbase do? Let's say you want to buy some Bitcoins. You've got two options. Deploy sophisticated, powerful computers to mine Bitcoin by solving complicated math problem, or buy it on an exchange. The former is insanely costly and demands a ton of technical know-how, while the latter requires nothing more than just opening an account with one of the crypto exchange websites. And this is where Coinbase comes into play. For many crypto enthusiasts, Coinbase operates as a straightforward online exchange, allowing retail buyers and sellers to meet in the middle, and they can find a price which satisfies both the buyers and the seller. Coinbase has succeeded not only by performing these tasks efficiently, but also by keeping its users' personal data secure. And this is really important in the cryptocurrency world. Now, in a July 2020 report, Coinbase disclosed that it had more than 35 million users. So Coinbase does not charge its customers to store their cryptocurrency. Instead, it earns fees and commissions when customers buy and sell various cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. According to the latest SEC filing, Coinbase made over $1.3 billion in revenue in the year 2020. And that's twice what it made in the previous year. So how much is Coinbase worth? Now, back in 2018, this company was worth around $8 billion based on the evaluation back in that time. But with the surging prices of Bitcoin, most experts now value Coinbase at around $100 billion. So coming back to my original question, should you invest in this company? Usually, I invest in a company when I believe that there is an increasing demand for its goods and services. So guys, here is the question. Do you believe in the future of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and dozens of altcoins available to trade on Coinbase? And you should also ask yourself the question, do you believe that cryptocurrency is the future of money and it would usher an open financial system around the world, as Coinbase states on their website? Now, if you don't believe in this, and instead if you think that this is all just a fad, that will decide whether you should buy, the stock for Coinbase. Guys, remember, an exchange like Coinbase is highly susceptible to changes in demand and supply for cryptocurrencies. So for example, if cryptocurrencies lose their appeal and users stop buying and selling them on Coinbase, it would have a dramatic impact on, the potential stock value of this company in the future. Now, if you do believe that there is a future for cryptocurrencies, the next question to ask yourself is whether Coinbase is the company that is positioned to capitalize on the cryptocurrency's popularity. Now, this is where savvy investors would perform a fundamental analysis of Coinbase and study its revenue, earning, user growth, competition, management, and dozens of other factors. In my personal opinion, investing in a company like Coinbase can be a catch-22 situation. And what do I mean by that? What I mean is that, if you truly believe in cryptocurrency, that is, if you believe in the applications and value of a decentralized public ledger, then how can you have confidence in a centralized company like Coinbase, right? Isn't that contradictory? So guys, here is the bottom line. If I invest in Coinbase, I will cap it at 1% of my total portfolio to mitigate risks. That's my plan. By the way, guys, Coinbase IPO date has not been finalized yet, at least at the time of making this video. But a lot of people expect it to happen in late March or early April of this year, 2021. So guys, what do you think of Coinbase IPO and about cryptocurrencies in general? Please share your thoughts in the video description below. I hope you guys found this video useful or at least entertaining. Please like and subscribe to this channel, Techno Panda Money, for more videos like this. Also check out my main channel, which is called Technopanda, and this is a channel where I review laptops and other electronic gadgets. So if you are like a tech gear kind of guy, you would absolutely love this channel. So again guys, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.